Hello guys, welcome back into Quotex Trading YouTube channel. So guys, today we have an exciting strategy to discuss that can help you to take your trading skills to the next level in Quotex Platform guys. So in this video, I will share one of my favorite trading strategy guys. This is a combination of support and resistance with the parabolic. And guys, in this video, I am going to share step by step in very easy and very simple way, like where we can use this trading concept and where we have to be very careful so that we don't make losses, and how we will find good entries and where we have to exit, so that everything should be clear guys. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And guys, before I explain anything about this trading concept, make sure guys you create your Quotex trading account by using below link in the description of this video. Also guys, I provide free Quotex trading signals on my Telegram channel. You can join them and you can start making money. It's totally free of cost. And guys, if you are having any issues like in deposits, in withdrawals, or in verification, you are not able to recover your losses, or you are facing any other issues like anything, okay, you can contact me on my Telegram channel. This is my personal Telegram ID. Just text me here. I will try to help as soon as possible. So guys, now we have to understand that what is support level and resistance level and why they are crucial in our trading guys. So on my chart, you can see this is a level, this is another level guys, one more and one more. In down direction trend, we can also find some labels here. All right, so support and resistance levels are the key levels on our chart. Okay, these are the levels of price, because we understand that red and green candles involves the price. Okay, so these are the levels of price on chart. We can see. Now we have to understand which one is support level, which one is resistance level. Everything I am going to share. Make sure you like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are watching this video for the first time. And guys, keep your notifications on for upcoming latest trading videos. All right, so guys, when any market, like this is a down direction trend, you know, this is a up direction trend, support level acts as a floor. That means when market is coming down and I can find a level over here, so this level, what this level is actually playing a role. When market is coming down, then this level of price is not allowing the price to fall more even in down direction. Getting my point? So this is a support. This is supporting the price. This is preventing the price to falling more down. Okay. On the other hand, guys, we have to understand that if market trend is in up direction and we can see a label like this one, and this one, these all labels are acting as a ceiling. Okay, so what they are doing is these labels are limiting the price from rising from these levels. They are setting a limit of price, and they are not allowing the market, the price to be more even higher from these levels. So now you have to understand, if any level is creating an uptrend like this is an uptrend. So now you know this is resistance level. This is uptrend. This is your resistance level. Now you know this one, another resistance level. So these are acting as a ceiling level guys. Okay, these are not allowing this price to become more higher. Okay, so this is basically role of resistance. Now how we can trade, I'm going to share my trick with you. Now on the other hand, you also understand these are the support labels. If these labels are able to see in down direction, if you are able to see these labels in down direction, that means these are your support levels guys. Okay, so now guys, by identifying and effectively using these labels, you can really make some good trades. You can really make some good decisions to make good profitable trades guys. Okay, what it is mean, let me tell you. Wait, okay, let me zoom this chart guys. First I'm talking about uptrend guys. Okay, so what I can see on my chart, this market bent up and I can see this is a resistance level. Okay, so neglect it, ignore it. Okay, market came down from this level because this is the property of resistance. When market is trying to go again in up direction, and when market is reaching nearby this level, now I have to be very careful, because if I will trade up from here, then I may lose my amount, because as per the resistance level, market can come down direction, and this resistance level will not allow to raise the price too much from above this level. Okay, same way market came down and we can see a support level over here, guys. Market went up, and when market again coming down direction, and when market reaching nearby at this level, this is a zone, this is a area. Okay, so now I have to be very careful, because I know last time market took support nearby this level of price. Okay, so market can again go back, and market can again go get rejection from this level. So what I understand that I will not trade in down direction. If I will, then my amount is in danger. I may lose, guys, until or unless I have very expertise. Okay, so how we can trade, guys, and how we are going to identify these levels. So guys, in Quotex Trading we have many tools, like we can use a Zigzag, we can use moving average, we can use any chart patterns, so many things, guys. Okay, so in this video, guys, I am going to use Zigzag with a different value. So to implement our Zigzag, we have to do just click on this icon and we can find Zigzag over here. Just, guys, click on it. Okay, so when I click, I can see on my chart there is a, like this one clearly visibles, higher points, lower points, I can see with my neck eyes. So when I'm able to see this is a label, this is a label, this is a label, now I'm very careful, because when market is going this Zigzag label going to nearby of this Zigzag level, this level is going to be nearby of this Zigzag level. Now I know, I can clearly see this is a also level, so this is your resistance level. So now I will not trade in up direction. Okay, guys, this is not 100%. If market is going to get a resistance here, next time market will also face resistance. This is not 100%, but yes, 98% market will face resistance over here. That means 2% breakdown can happen. Okay, so in next video, guys, if you are interested to know how breakout strategy is working on Quotex, then make sure you comment below of this video, guys. In next video I will teach you how we can trade on breakout trading strategy concept, guys. Okay, so now come to the point, we are going to use another indicator, that is your parabolic. So just click on parabolic, use 0.04. okay, so now how we are going to trade, guys, by using this trading concept. I have to see first where this triangle is. Okay, this is a triangle, you can see where this point is. Okay, so this point is in up direction and market is coming down. That means if this market is coming down, this price is coming down, I will try to trade in down direction as much as possible. But guys, I have to be very careful, because I have to see is there any level or not. If any level is existing, then I will not trade in down direction. Otherwise, I trade in down direction. This is basic easy concept, and you have to be very careful while trading, because I am also using parabolic. So in last video, guys, I teached you that we have to identify, we have to see where these dots are. What is the position of these dots? So I know this is a level of resistance, and market is getting rejected from this point and coming in down direction. Also, guys, as per the last strategy, these dots, okay, these dots are indicating this market is going to be in down direction, guys. And you know what is happening here, market is coming in down direction as per the parabolic concept. And also, guys, there is no level in down direction. So that's why I took few trades in down direction. Let's wait and watch the result of these trades, guys. Hopefully we are going to win, because I can see another level is here and we have a good distance over here. Okay, as we made a good profit by using this trading concept. Okay, I hope you are getting my point, how we can trade and how we are going to make profit by using this trading concept, guys. Okay, so let me do some other trading, guys. We have to see I told you earlier, because where you have to be very careful, guys. If see this parabolic is indicating market is going in down direction, because as per the position of these dots, market trend is in down direction, and we can see there is no label, like this label is here, that means we can trade in down direction. Okay, but this is almost nearby, so we have to avoid here, because this is your support level. Market came down like this, market took support, went up. When market is coming down in next time, so this is not, guys, probably 100% proven that market will come down exactly at the same level, but this market can go in opposite direction slightly higher than the previous level. Okay, so exactly this is a area, this is a zone. Getting my point? So I hope you are getting my point, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do few more trades, guys. I hope you are enjoying the video, you are understanding the concept. If not, then please, guys, make sure you comment below so that I can improve myself. I will try to explain more easier way, guys, in next videos. Okay, so let me see the asset, guys. After 11 seconds or 10 seconds, what I am going to do is I am going to place my trade in up direction, and hopefully we are going to win this trade 100%. Okay, so now, guys, you can see I took a big amount of trades in up direction. Let's wait and watch the result of these trades. Hopefully we are going to win our trades. Let's wait and watch, guys. Market is getting too much rejection over here, but let's wait, guys, because we got the confirmation of parabolic, like this is parabolic, and label is here, so market can try to go at this level, guys, nearby this level. If not, then we are going to recover this amount in next trade. Hopefully we are going to win this trade, guys. I am 100% sure. Let's wait, guys. I hope you are enjoying the video. Make sure you like the video and support me as much as possible, guys, so that I can create more content for you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to join Telegram channel, where, guys, I am going to share my free trading signals with you, and you can just copy them and you can make good profit by using this trading concept, guys. I lost my trade very nearby, very close, guys. So let's wait and let's find some other sets. Here you can see, guys, we can trade in down direction. So, guys, you can see I took too many trades in down direction, because as per the concept or as per the strategy, this is a level. Okay, this is your resistance level, this is your support level. All right, so this price is coming down and we have level at this point, so we can see too much distance from this point to our trade opening entry. Okay, so we have good distance, that means we are going to win this trade in 29 seconds, 27 seconds. Sometimes we may lose, but guys, it doesn't mean that this trading strategy is not going to give you good result, guys. If you are using any concept in a right way, if you are having good knowledge, if your concepts are very clear, then you are going to make profit, guys. Okay, so we know this point, this is your level of price, and this is your support level, this is your resistance level. Now we have to see the point. What point? These dots, guys. See, these are the dots, these are the position of parabolic, that means these are indicating market trend is in down direction. But guys, slightly I can see this is a like quite low level, guys. Okay, this is not that much strong. So after 20 seconds, guys, I will do some more trades again in down direction. Let's wait and watch, guys, because this is the price where this price is creating another level. That means market can create level here and go back. That can happen, guys. Okay, so that's how you can trade, guys. You have to be very careful, you have to understand the price, you have to be very careful while trading. So I placed few, guys, in down direction, because this market will go surely in down direction. Why this market will go surely in down direction? Because, guys, this is a very strong level, this is a very strong price movement coming in down direction, guys. Okay, and as per the zigzag, this is a level, and parabolic is still supporting us from down direction to, like, from up direction to down direction, guys. If you don't know how I used parabolic and how I am using parabolic in this video, guys, make sure you watch my last video of parabolic indicator, guys, where I teached you how easily you can make few changes and how easily you can use this parabolic concept, guys. Okay, so in front of you guys, I think this is my fourth trade, and we are going to make huge profit in this trade, guys, almost 5,000 plus profit, guys. Okay, so that's how I trade, that's how I make, and that's how I keep my things clear, guys. And you can see I made a good profit over here. Okay, so guys, I'm not expanding this video too much. In next video, if you want to know how we can use this concept of support and resistance with breakout strategy, and how we can use it with SMA, with Bollinger Band, so many indicators, guys. So make sure you comment below of this video, guys, and hopefully I'll create more content if you are supporting me. And guys, if you have any query, then contact me on Telegram. Also join my Telegram channel where you will get free of cost signal, guys. Okay, so bye bye, see you in next video. Take care, keep learning, keep earning, and keep trading. Thank you so much, guys.